After seeing the lights?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the bus ride?
Yeah.
Well, the lights look pretty cool at night. Yeah, you already have. Come and see what else there is. Yeah, Alex? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What are these called again?
Little guinea pigs. This way. Look, Zoe. Zoe, look over here. Is it soft? Big and soft? That's a rabbit. Yeah. That's the fur. Soft. Is that fun? Oh, watch what you're doing, sir. Do you want to have a little hold? Oh, come on. No, Zoe, just let Alex have a turn. Careful, careful. Just stand still.
Put your knees together.
Nice, Alex. We'll give it back.
I'm going to take him back.
Yeah. Oh, oh. Say thank you. Say thank you. What do you think of that?
It's cute.
It's tiny. They're very tiny, aren't they?
Very
Babies.
funny.
Babies. What do you
Very funny. They fly away.
Well, they're chickens. They actually can never in their life.
Ah!
Very wiggly.
Do you know how to get there?
I'm taking video. I'm taking video.
Hello, these are goats.
Yes, these are goats.
And they eat hay.
Say it again.
These are goats and they love eating hay.
Yeah, don't jump in around with animals. No, don't pick it up. Just patting.